Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Chanel unboxing. Wait, is it upside down? Oh my gosh. A Chanel unboxing. First of all, I want to take a moment for this holiday packaging. It is so good. Okay, the ribbon has like sequins and is like a sparkle tweed. This little charm here is literally like fashion jewelry. It is, oh my gosh, focus. It has rhinestones all the way around the pearl center and then a CC in the middle. It is so cute. It literally looks like Chanel fashion jewelry, and we all know Chanel fashion jewelry. It is an ephemeral object in life. I imagine that this is like, I mean, it seems like pretty great, beautiful quality. Hopefully this is focusing. It is so stunning. I want to wrap this bag back up and just leave it under the tree, especially because like with the lights I have right now, but under the tree lights, it's so glittery and pretty. It is, I think it's a mix of silver and gold. Like I wish they would make a bag out of this. It is just so pretty. And then I want to start this video by thanking my sales associate. This year I was gifted one of the beautiful snow globes. This is the second snow globe in my collection, and this one has the snowflake motif. So it has a snowflake, Chanel shopping bags, the Chanel No. 5 perfume bottle, little presents all around. There are, I think there are little CCs, or no. Yeah, there are gold CCs that float around with the snow. Don't know if you're going to be able to see it. They're like so tiny and so tiny, and they fall faster than the snow. The snow like takes a long time to fall, but it's just like, it's so pretty. And I feel like this would make, I mean, I am so honored to be gifted it. I feel like it would make such a good gift. Like if they sold them, I have no idea what price point they sell it at. You know, the price point that it's offered is like, if you buy too much Chanel, you get one of these. Yeah, they're just so pretty, so charmingly made, like such attention to details. It almost reminds me of something vintage, you know? Yeah, so like the detail on here, the Chanel bag has a little gold camellia on the corner, just like the holiday packaging this year. Like how, that's cute. And the holiday packaging this year was white on one side and gold on the other. Like it's just so, so cute. So I already unboxed this. I made a little video for Instagram and on TikTok, I think. But it's just, it's the sweetest gift. And I have the best team at my local boutique. Even though the boutique is really small, I feel like we're shopping above our weight or whatever it is. Like we're punching above our weight class. We're doing really good. So thank you so much to the team for everything this year, for getting me this holiday packaging, which I know was like super limited. It's so pretty. And I'm maybe gonna rebox this and then refilm an unboxing. So let me see if I can kind of strategically take this off and slip it back on. Although normally I just like to retie it. But the thing is with this little charm is it's kind of a tricky one to retie. Okay, we're sliding it off. Hi, this unboxing, let's talk about it. You're like, Maddie, we just got your bag collection down to a reasonable level. You said it was too big. What is in that box? Because this is looking like a bag. It's a bag. Spoiler alert, it's a bag. And I had kind of been planning for this, and there's room. I'm still under my 20 bag limit. I'm still in the zone, and I feel like, just wait till you see it. I feel like this is such an underrated bag. I actually can't figure out why I haven't seen this bag anywhere on YouTube. I haven't seen it anywhere on TikTok. I haven't seen it anywhere on Instagram. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm not sure. And it's not like I follow the Chanel girlies, you know, but I'm not sure why I haven't seen it. So then there's this. Okay. And then in here, you guys are gonna be so surprised, I feel like. Okay, can I do this without, oh my gosh, everything's falling. So it's a black bag, as you can see. Let's just carefully place that down there. To reveal, what? A felt bag? No, look at this. Okay, this is illegal, don't tell anyone. But the felt case that was made for this, that they're supposed to throw away, was just like so charming. I was like, I'm keeping it, don't tell anyone. Okay, to reveal. This bag is called the Savon de Chanel. It is designed like a bar of soap. Savon is French for soap, but it's also from the cruise collection. So the Savon de Marseille is like famous French soap, and the colors that they produce this bag in, the other colors, the green and the white and the pink, are very soapy. This one's like a little bit more subtle. So it says 31 Rue Cambon, Paris on both sides. So it's double-sided. There is, and the chain's a little twisted. Let me untwist it. Everyone's gonna freak out. I don't know why people think that when the chain twists that it can't untwist. I see so many things on TikTok where they're like, look, my bag's ruined. And I'm like, just untwist it? I don't know. Anyway, so there's this little push button slider, kind of like a Cocoa Crush. On one side, it says Paris, Marseille. Sorry, it was backwards. It took me a minute. And then on the other side, it says Cruise 2021. And then it says 100% Chanel. Isn't that so cute? So friggin' cute. So you press the button to like adjust it so you can make it a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So adorable. It is lambskin, but it's like, listen, it's like hard molded lambskin. I don't know how they do that. Okay, the regular zipper pull, and then you take out this little pad, and inside, it doesn't open very wide, but the inside is gold. And there's a little slip pocket on one side. So this is the card detail from 25C. There you go. And this retailed for $5,400. They call it a camera case, but Chanel bags, they all have secret names. The secret name is Savon de Chanel. It is just so pretty. It fits a phone, a card case, a lip gloss, and maybe like one other thing like keys. It's bigger than it looks. My phone's charging, otherwise I would put it in, but it is so cute. And I don't know why people haven't gotten this yet. So it's lambskin, but it doesn't seem like it won't wear well. It seems like it will wear well. It feels very structured, kind of like a Constance kind of, but I think it's going to be such a great like travel sort of bag. Oh my gosh, twist. So you can see it has a really long cross here, nice and long. And so but not too long, because you can in fact adjust it. And I like that you can this is why I think it's a great travel bag, is because you can adjust it into something like a little bit more of a shoulder bag for dinner or something more formal, or have it long on your shoulder instead of like cross running through the city. So it's like both. For me, I travel a lot for work, and so I feel like this will be like a good sort of in-between situation. What else to know? Some people, okay, one reason why you might not like this bag is because the way the chain is attached, it's not like evenly attached here. It's like one off to the side and the other off to the side, which can make it like a little bit wobbly, but it's small, so I think that that's fine. It does have a narrow opening, but I feel like not a big deal. It's not that big inside. Plus the gold interior makes it really easy to see inside. If this was black interior, it'd be like very dark inside. There's like the little CC on the rivet, which is a cute little touch. And is there one on the ball? There's a little CC on this ball as well. Let's see, right there. I like that it's double-sided. I love the details on this slider, like the 100% Chanel, the Paris Marseille Cruise 2025. I just think it is like, I don't know, such a good souvenir isn't the right word, like marker or recognition of the show, and it being Virginie's last show and it's Cruise 2025. I just feel like it all kind of has come together. Plus now with the rumors that on December 16th we will know the new creative director, and it will be Matthew Bluesy, or however you say his name properly in French. Very interesting. Very interesting. But yeah, this is my new addition to the collection. Okay, so let's talk about why I think that this will fit into my collection, because we just did the clean out and you're like, hello, like you have black bags. So let's go through it. My black bags are my Chanel 22 with Pearl, this one here. I love this bag. I think it's great. I love the way that it looks, and you know, it was a very difficult bag to get at the time, and even now people are like, oh my gosh, that is, you know, it's like, it's a fun conversation starter. It's kind of like the if you know type bag. What I don't like about that bag, or what's tough about it, is that it's open top. So for travel, having the open top of the 22 isn't always ideal if you don't know where you're going to be, or if you're out for long days, or it's just like doesn't feel right. And so there's that. The other black bag I have is my mini heart. The mini heart doesn't fit the phone. Same with this little cutie here. This is like, you know, those are more like evening bags. Then I have my jumbo Chanel bag, which is grandfathered in, but let's consider it. The jumbo Chanel bag is significant. That is like a bag. So you wouldn't travel with that, for one. And it is like a whole kind of look in itself. I think the only two that I think would maybe compete with this, my wallet on chain. I haven't been loving a wallet on chain. I think I will like the look of this a lot better. The wallet on chain is also grandfathered in, so I don't really have to worry about her. But this is kind of like a wallet on chain, but like a little bit more, because it does feel special. This feels like a special bag that I would be excited to use. It almost, to me, I bet it fits as much as the Constance 18 and would kind of function like that, travel wise. The only other one that would be like similar to this is the Caviar Mini, which I do like, but I feel like sometimes, I don't know, I don't love traveling with the minis because they're quite bulky. I feel like this is like easier to travel with, even though I wouldn't want to get it crushed, but I would probably just have it stuffed or keep it like in my carry-on. And so I feel like this is better for travel in that respect too, but we will find out. I'm very interested to see how this wears over time. Of course, you know, it is going to patina, I guess, develop, like, you know, lambskin can develop scratches. I think that's okay. I'm not going to be like taking her to like a nightclub, but I am, I think, going to be traveling with this one. And I like that it's black, so it's not likely to get color transfer. I really liked the light pink one. But I think for this, the light pink kind of scared me, like if it got a little scuff or something, it might start to look like a dirty bar of soap and not a clean bar of soap. And then this one's like soapy, but like it's not so soapy. Does that make sense? But I am shocked that I have not seen this bag anywhere else. I think it is such a cute bag. I think it is freaking adorable. I think it is like one of the best pieces from the runway bag-wise. Although honestly, that giant hobo looking thing is growing on me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, it's growing on me. Anyway, let me know what you think of this edition and the rationale for adding her to my collection. I think, I don't know, it just sparked joy, okay? You're like, Maddie, this is 2025, you're gonna be on the same path once again. No, but I think it is just like really cool, really special, really fun. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Have a great day, you guys. Okay.